Students, in this video I am going to discuss that question or of exercise first E. First E. This is based on a word problems. This is based on a word problems. So in that first question is, at Srinagar the temperature was -4 degrees centigrade on Monday, and then it drops by 2 degrees centigrade on Tuesday. So the solution of first one, at Srinagar the temperature was on Monday, the temperature was -4 degree centigrade, and it dropped down on Tuesday. It dropped down. Drop means negative sign, 2 degree centigrade. So what is the temperature on Tuesday? So I'm going to find the solution. Temperature on Tuesday. Temperature on Tuesday. On Monday it is a -4 degree centigrade and drop down 2 degree, means that is a minus sign. So I'm going to subtract this one, -2 degree centigrade. So if I'm subtracting this one, -4 plus 2 and then degree centigrade, -6 degree centigrade. Your answer is -6 degree. And then one more question is that one, what was the temperature on Srinagar on Tuesday? So the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday is equal to -6 degree centigrade. On Wednesday it rose up by, on Wednesday it rose up. Rose up means that it is upside, 5 degree centigrade. It rose up 5 degree centigrade. On Tuesday it is a -6 degree centigrade. On Wednesday it is rose of 5 degree centigrade. So what was the temperature on Wednesday? So the temperature on Wednesday is equal to -6 degree centigrade plus 5 degree centigrade. Drop down means it is going to be decrease, and rose up means it's going to be increase. So -6 and plus 5, you will get it -1 degree centigrade. So this is the temperature on Wednesday at Srinagar, -1 degree centigrade, and this is the temperature on Tuesday, -6 degree centigrade. Same as it is, question number 2 is, Ramesh deposited 5,000 in his bank account and next day withdraws 3,780 from. So students, always remember that deposit is always considered in integer form. It is a positive, and withdraws, you are taking the money, means that it is a negative quantity. So that negative one you will subtract, the withdrawal money you will subtract from the deposit money, you will get that the remaining balance. So I think it is very easy. From 5,000 you will subtract 3,780, you will get that your answer. Question number 3. A plane is flying at the height of 6,300 meter above sea level. At a particular point it is exactly above a submarine floating 1,400 meter below sea level. Find a vertical distance between them. So students, in this one I want to explain this third question. Third one, question number 3. Question number 3. Here is a point. If I take this one is a sea level. This is considered as a 0. Above, if I am going to upside, This is known as above sea level, and this one is a below sea level. Below sea level is considered as a negative, and above sea level is considered as a positive. Here is a point A, is that here is a plane at a 6,000. A plane is a 6,300 meter. That one is a your plane. Plane is there. Means that aeroplane. And submarine, same point, but it is a below. That point, I think it is a B, and that one is a 1,400 meter below the sea level. It is a submarine. It is a submarine. Below the sea level. So asking that in your question, it is asking that what is the vertical distance between point A and point B, means that plane and submarine. So, and students, you always remember that when you are going above the sea level, your numbers, your value always be a positive, or your height is always a positive. And if you are going downside or below of a sea level, then your quantity should be in negative. So solution of this one, solution 6,300 meter above the sea level. Above the sea level. Above the sea level is equal to, this one you use a plus 6,300, you will write it in plus, or only that you will write it 6,300, and 1,400 meter below the sea level. Below the sea level is equal to minus 1,400. So I'm going to find that the vertical distance between them. So the vertical distance between them. So the vertical distance between them. First I'm going to write this one, 6,300 minus 1,400. So 6,300 minus is removing this bracket, minus is multiplied into minus, you get this plus 7,700 meter. So the distance between A and B, plane to the submarine, is 7,700 meter. Okay. Now this question, this is your answer of this question, and question number 4 is the same as it is. You will try in your home. Question number 5th one. In a hotel, food is stored in a freezer at a minus 20 degrees centigrade. What would be the temperature? Food is stored in minus 20 degree centigrade. What would be the question number 5th one? I will explain it only. What would be the temperature if it raised up 5 degrees centigrade? Means it is raised up 5. Raising means that it is a positive. So here is a minus 20 and plus 5 degree. So what will be the answer of first one? That one is a minus 15 degrees centigrade. And in the second, asking what would be the temperature if it is lowered by 0.5 degrees centigrade every hour for 12 hours. Means every hour. In first hour it is a lowered means that it is a negative. Raise, positive, lowered, negative. So minus 0.5 degrees centigrade for the first hour. So total is a 12 hours. So in 12 hours, 0.5 is multiplied by 12 with negative sign. You will get it minus 6.0 degrees centigrade or minus 6 degree centigrade. In 12 hours, it is the temperature is going to be lowered minus 6 degree centigrade. So before that, its temperature is a minus 20 degree and plus in bracket minus 6. So solve this one, minus 20 and plus minus minus, you will get it minus 26 degree centigrade. So this is the second answer of 5th one. And question number 6 is also very easy. In a quiz, the team was, there is two team, X and Y. Find the total score scored by x and same as it is y, and then after you decide that which one is going to be win the match. Question number 7 is also easy. On a certain day, at a certain time in Siberia, the temperature was minus 28 degrees centigrade. On the same day, at the same time, the temperature in Brazil was 28 degrees centigrade. What is the difference between these two temperatures? So I think you will subtract the smaller one from the bigger one. You will get that your answer means that if it is here is a Brazil, that temperature is a 28, and here is a Siberia, that is a minus 28 in the same day. So 28 minus 28, 28 minus plus 28, you will get this 56 degrees, 56 degrees centigrade, the difference between these two temperature. Question number 8 is also same like a question 8 is the same as it is like a question number 5th, and I want to discuss this question number 11. An elevator descend into a mine shaft at the rate of 6 meter per minute. It descend starts from a 10 meter above sea level. Where will it reach in 20 minutes, and how long will it take to reach a depth of minus 350 meter? So I want to discuss this last question of this exercise, question number 11. Question number 11, students. Question number 11. So, in an elevator descend into a mine shaft at a rate of 6%. Suppose here is this one. I made it and what will be a elevator descend into a mine shaft at a rate of 6 meter per meter, and it descend start from 10 meter above sea level. Suppose it is a sea level, this is a sea level, it is considered as a 0. Above the sea level it is a positive, and below the sea level it is a negative. So it start at a 10 meter above, that point is A, and it is a 10 meter above the ground, and its speed. So solution of this one, 11th one, speed of an elevator is equal to 6 meter per minute. It is in descent, means it is a descending in every minute. Descends means that it is descending in every minute. Okay, means that you will use minus sign for this also, for this case. And this descending started at a 10 meter above from the sea level. So for first one, where will it reach in 20 minutes? Where will it reach in a 20 minutes? So speed of an elevator is equal to minus 6 meter per minute. So I'm not going to write this one. So, and the time is equal to 20 minutes. So the distance covered by an elevator is equal to minus 6. Speed is multiplied by time. Speed is equal to minus 6 is multiplied by 20. It is a minus 120 meter. Minus 100 120 meter. So students, this is the distance covered by an elevator, but it started from 10 meter above the sea level. So the final position of an elevator. So the final position of an elevator is equal to minus, this is the minus 120 plus, it is started from this point, elevator, here is that elevator, this is the starting point, so this is a plus 10, so minus is the 120 and minus 10, to subtract this one, you get it minus 110 meter. Hence the final position of an elevator is 110 meter below the sea level. This is your answer for first one. The final position of an elevator is a 110 meter below the sea level. 110 meter below the sea level means that it reached at point B. It reached at a point B. This is a 110 meter below the sea level. Okay. In the second one, asking that how long will it take to reach a depth of minus 300 meter. How long will it take? In second, it is asking that time, distance is given that for this. So first your aim is to find that the total distance for second question in this 11th, second one, asking that how long will it take to reach a depth of minus 350. Suppose this is your submarine for second one. Here is sea level 0. Here is a point A at a 10 meter above the grounds, and asking that here is the point C, it is a minus 350 meter. So what is the total distance from 10 meter to minus 350, total distance between them. So I am going to find that the total distance, total distance covered by an elevator, total distance covered by an elevator, total distance covered by an elevator, total distance covered by an elevator is equal to 10 meter above and 350 meter downside. So 310 meter above 10 and plus 350 is equal to 360 meter. Okay. Total distance covered by an elevator is 10 meter and 360 meter, and speed is given that 6 meter per minute. 6 meter per minute. So the time is equal to time taken by an elevator is equal to distance upon speed. So distance is 360 upon 6, cancel out this one, you get it 60 minute. 60 minute, and you know that 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. 60 minute is equal to 1 hour. So how long will it take to reach a depth of minus 300 meter? So hence it will take 1 hour to reach a depth of 350 meter below the sea level. Below the sea level. So this is your question, students, and I will attach that with this video, both of that. With this video I will attach that the PDF of the solution of all that questions as a PDF form. So please students, you can see that one, and if you have completed, you can match your solution, and if you have not completed, by seeing this one you will complete it in your copy. And next video I'm going to discuss that your new next chapter, that is a fraction, students, because it will take a lot of time to do this integers. So in next video I'm going to discuss that next chapter, fraction. Okay, thank you, students.